Close your eyes. Picture this. A life full of love. A life where you feel warm, safe, happy. You trust someone with all you have. Your heart beats for them. Your dreams grow with them. Your world feels bright because of them. You believe they'll stay. Always. Forever. Now imagine that life cracking, breaking, slowly at first. So slow you don't see it coming. Then all at once. Imagine the people you love most turning away. Hurting you. Breaking you. Leaving you with nothing but shadows. My name is Emily. This is my story. It's not an easy one. It's not all light and joy. It starts with hope, with promises that feel true. But it becomes secrets, pain, a fight to find who I am. I didn't want to tell this story. It's hard to look back, hard to feel it again. But I need you to hear it, to walk with me through it, to stand in my place for a while, to see what I saw, to hurt how I hurt, to rise how I rose. So let's go back to the start, back to the days when I thought love was mine, when I thought trust was strong, when I thought I had it all. Those days didn't last, but they shaped me, they broke me, and they made me. Let's begin. My name is Emily. For 3 years, I had someone special. His name was Daniel. He was my everything, my best friend, my safe place, the one who held my hand when life got hard. We made plans together, big plans, a house with a porch, a future full of laughter. He told me I was his world. His voice was soft, warm. "You're my everything, Emily," he'd say. His gaze would hold mine. Steady, deep. He promised me forever. Whispered it in the dark. Held me tight as he spoke. I believed him. Every word. I gave him all my trust, all my heart, all my hope. Until one day, that trust broke. The day I found a truth so cold it froze me. A truth so sharp it tore me apart. When Daniel and I met, it was magic, not a small spark. No, it was big, bright, like a fire blazing high. He made me laugh until my face hurt. Real laughs, loud ones. He made me feel seen, special. Every moment with him was a treasure, a page in a love story I never wanted to end. We weren't perfect. We had fights, small ones, but we fixed them. We were strong, or so I thought. I thought nothing could break us. My older sister, Sophia, was different. She was the bright one. People loved her. She was confident, beautiful. Her smile lit up rooms. Her voice pulled you in. I was softer, quieter. Next to her, I felt small. But she was my sister, my best friend. I loved her so much. We were close. We shared secrets, swapped clothes, dreamed together. When Daniel and I started dating, Sophia was engaged. Her fiancé, Tom, was kind, steady. They'd been together for years. I never worried. She had her life. I had mine. But then things changed. At first, life with Daniel was warm, easy, like a cozy blanket. We had our jokes, our lazy mornings with coffee. We'd plan our future. "We'll have a dog one day," he'd say, grinning. "And a big yard," I'd add. It felt real, solid. He was my safe place, the one who made everything better. But then, something shifted. It was small. His texts came late. His gaze drifted when I spoke. His voice sounded flat. I felt a chill, a distance. The warmth was slipping away. Slowly, quietly. I couldn't stop it. I told myself it was nothing. People get busy. Work gets hard. Maybe he needed time. Maybe I was wrong. I wanted to believe that. But then, excuses came. "Sorry, Emily. Work ran late. I'm tired tonight. I didn't see your text. Always busy. I trusted him at first. Daniel worked hard. I liked that about him. But the excuses grew. Plans broke. His texts turned short. Yes. Okay. Later, his kisses felt empty. Like a habit. Not love. I sensed something heavy between us. Something hidden. I asked him, Daniel, is something wrong? He brushed it off. You're overthinking, Emily. You're silly. You know I care. But care shouldn't feel so far. Sophia changed too. My sister. My rock. We used to talk for hours. Laugh together. Share everything. But now, she was strange. Her gaze wouldn't meet mine. It darted away. Her smiles felt fake. Too wide. Her voice sounded tight. One night, I walked into the kitchen. She was on the phone. Her voice was low. Secret. She saw me and stopped. Hung up fast. Her face turned red. Her fingers trembled. Who was that? I asked. My chest tightened. No one, she said. Too fast. Just a friend. She forced a smile. A friend. I wanted to trust her. I tried. But doubt grew. Small. Cold. The cracks were spreading. With Daniel. With Sophia. I was losing them. Then came signs I couldn't ignore. Daniel's phone used to sit out. Open. Now. It was always face down. Always in his pocket. His texts to me were flat. Fine. Sure. Later. No warmth. One night, we were in bed. His phone glowed. Lit his face. He grinned. A real grin. One I hadn't seen in so long. My stomach twisted. Who are you texting? I asked. Calmly. His fingers froze. He locked it fast. No one, he said. Shup. Work stuff. He turned away. Work stuff doesn't make you grin. I didn't push. But I watched. I waited. Weeks passed. Slow. Heavy. I searched for answers. Then one day, I saw it. A picture online. Blurry. Far off. But I knew him. Daniel. At a cafe. Leaning close. Grinning. Across from him, Sophia. My sister. My hands trembled. My breath stopped. Maybe it was nothing. Just talking. But my heart said no. His gaze on her. Warm. Deep. Her hand on his arm. It was how he used to look at me. I stared. My chest burned. I didn't want to believe it. But I couldn't unsee it. The truth hit one night. I was cleaning after dinner. Plates in the sink. Music soft. Daniel's phone buzzed. Unlocked. On the counter. I shouldn't have looked. But I did. One message. Sophia, I miss you. Can we meet tonight? My hands went cold. My stomach fell. My head spun. It couldn't be real. I scrolled. Weeks of messages. Months of secrets. I can't lie to Emily. I love you, Daniel. We'll be together soon. I can't stop this. The phone fell. Crashed. Tears burned my eyes. I couldn't breathe. I wanted to scream. My legs trembled. My chest broke. My sister. My love. They took everything. I waited for Daniel. My heart pounded. Wild. Loud. He walked in. Grinned. Hey, sweetie. He leaned close. I stepped back. Don't. He frowned. What's wrong? I held his phone. My voice shook. I know. His face went pale. He sighed. Ran his hand through his hair. I didn't mean it, he said. Weak. I laughed. Bitter. That's it. He looked down. Then he said it. I love her, Emily. The room spun. My heart stopped. He never said it to me like that. Not anymore. It was hers now. I went to Sophia. I wanted her to cry. To beg. She opened the door. Saw my face. Emily, I didn't plan this, she said. Her voice broke. I didn't want to hurt you. I shook my head. You destroyed me. You took it all. Tears filled her gaze. She reached for me. I pulled away. I love him, she whispered. I laughed. Cold. Then keep him. I turned, walked away, left them both. No tears from me. Months passed, dark, heavy. I asked myself why. Was I not enough? Did I fail? Their faces stayed with me. His grin, her voice. It hurt, deep. But one day, I stopped. I looked in the mirror, saw myself. I was enough. Always had been. They didn't take that. I built myself back, step by step. A year later, Sophia called. Her voice was small. He cheated on me. I smiled. Not for her pain, for the truth. I thought he'd stay, she said. Tears in her words. I breathed deep. I told you so, I said. Strong. You chose him. Now you see. I don't need you anymore. She went silent. I hung up. The air felt light. I felt free. Oh, that's my story. A story of love that faded. A story of trust that broke. A story of pain that built me. I lost so much. More than I can say. The man I loved. The sister I trusted. The life I wanted. But I found more. Myself. My strength. My worth. Life isn't always fair. People you love can hurt you. They can break you. They can leave you in pieces. But you don't have to stay there. You can stand. You can heal. You can grow. I did. It wasn't easy. It wasn't fast. It took every part of me. But I made it. And you can too. Thank you for listening. For walking with me. For feeling this with me. It's over now. The pain. The weight. It's gone. And I'm here. Stronger. Brighter. Free. Ready for what comes next.